Hello, judges. We are Save the Sea team. Our team consists of Amar, Kenneth, and myself, Shreya. We are software engineering students. For our project, we chose the topic of life below water because 70% of our Earth is water and it's hugely polluted, which is a major concern because it's imbalancing the ecosystem and we want to spread awareness about it.
The project aims to raise awareness through the showing the impact of the pollution and how lowering emissions can recuperate sea life. For the tools, using Unity and Echo AR, we hope to paint this picture.
So now I'm going to explain a bit of our app. Upon launching the app, you'll see a portal to the bottom of the ocean. As you can see right now, the ocean is polluted with cans and plastic bottles. On the screen, there will be two buttons. One is to save the sea and one is to pollute. The choice is in your hands. Once you press the Save the Sea button, you can see that the water is cleaner and the sea creatures are alive. Unfortunately, due to time constraints, we couldn't demonstrate it with a real phone, but this is how we imagine it to be. Thank you for listening.